Class-based views. Class-based views in Django offer a structured approach to building web applications. They encapsulate logic in classes, promoting reusability and maintainability. Understanding class-based view architecture involves grasping its design patterns, which streamline development by organizing code into logical components. This approach enhances scalability and simplifies complex application structures. Class-based views, CBVs in Django, offer a structured approach to building web applications. They utilize design patterns that promote reusability and maintainability. By leveraging built-in generic views, developers can efficiently handle common patterns. Mixins and composition further enhance flexibility, allowing for the creation of reusable components. Advanced customization through method overriding and context manipulation enables tailored solutions for complex applications. Class-based views offer highly reusable components through inheritance and mixins, enforcing the don't repeat yourself principle. They excel in applications with repetitive patterns, encapsulating common behavior for reuse. While function-based views are simple and explicit, they often lead to code duplication. Class-based views are ideal for larger applications where consistency and maintainability are crucial. The CBV request-response lifecycle begins with URL dispatch, where Django's URL resolver calls asView, returning a view function. The dispatch method routes the request to the appropriate handler method like get or post. The handler processes the request, preparing context. Finally, a response is generated, rendering a template or returning JSON. Each step offers customization hooks. Generic views in Django streamline web development by providing reusable components. Display views like list view and detail view present data without modification. Editing views such as create view, update view, and delete view manage form submissions and data changes. Date views, including archive index view, year archive view, and month archive view, efficiently display date-based archives and timelines. The list view efficiently displays collections of objects. For instance, article list view uses list view to manage articles, specifying model, template, context name, pagination, and ordering. This setup retrieves query sets, renders templates, and handles pagination seamlessly, allowing you to focus on unique view aspects. The context object name enhances template readability by replacing the default object garse list with a meaningful name. Override get query set to customize data retrieval. Filter by user permissions or add search functionality using request parameters. Always call super get query set first to maintain the base query set. This approach ensures your views remain flexible and composable, allowing for complex lookups and enhanced user-specific data handling. Detail view is essential for displaying single objects like profiles or articles. It uses URL parameters to fetch the object and enriches templates with additional data through get chot context chot data. For instance, related articles can be added by filtering the same category, enhancing user engagement without complicating the main view logic. Create view and update view streamline form handling in Django. Create view manages new object creation, while update view modifies existing ones. Both utilize form valid to set additional fields post-validation, like assigning the current user as the author. Reverse lazy ensures success URL is resolved correctly, preventing URL configuration issues. Mixins enhance Django's class-based views by adding reusable functionality. Login required mixin ensures user authentication, while permission required mixin checks specific permissions. User passes test mixin allows custom access logic. Multiple object mixin and single object mixin handle object retrieval and pagination. Form mixin integrates form processing into any view, enabling flexible and powerful view customization. Authorization with mixins enhances security by stacking multiple layers of checks. In Article Update view, login required mixin ensures user authentication. Permission required mixin checks articles.changeArticle permission, and user passes test mixin verifies article ownership. The mixin order is crucial. They must precede the base view class to ensure proper access control through Django's method resolution order. Creating custom mixins enhances code reusability and consistency. The author-required mixin sets the author field to the current user, while the published filter mixin filters query sets to show only published items for non-staff users. These mixins embody the don't repeat yourself principle, allowing you to write logic once and apply it across multiple views efficiently. Understanding Python's method. Resolution order. Method resolution order is crucial in Django's class-based views with multiple inheritance. Django uses C3 linearization, resolving methods left to right in class definitions. Parent classes are prioritized over children. Always call super to maintain the method chain, ensuring mixins function correctly. This approach optimizes method lookup and execution. The dispatch method is crucial for pre-processing logic in Django views. It logs view access, checks article publish dates, and redirects non-staff users if necessary. This method is ideal for implementing analytics, feature flags, and A/B testing, ensuring logic runs before any hypertext transfer protocol method handler. The getContextData method enriches templates by adding aggregated stats like total views and average ratings. It includes related data such as approved comments and user-specific data like bookmark status. Always call super to maintain existing context. Use select related and prefetch related to optimize performance and prevent N+1 query issues. Handling multiple forms in a single view requires careful context management. Use Profile Update View to manage user and profile forms. Initialize forms in getContextData and validate them in post. If both forms are valid, save changes and redirect. This approach ensures efficient form handling and user feedback. Modern applications often require JSON responses. Implementing an AJAX response mixin allows seamless handling of asynchronous JavaScript and XML requests. By overriding render to JSON response and getData methods, you can customize JSON data. In article list view, check for XRequestedWith header to determine if a JSON response is needed, ensuring efficient data handling for asynchronous JavaScript and XML requests. Delete view in Django requires a get request for confirmation and a post request for deletion. Customize this by using login required mixin and user passes test mixin to ensure only authors can delete their articles. Display a success message upon deletion and include the count of dependent comments in the context for better user feedback. List views pagination can be tailored for optimal user experience. Set paginate by to 20 and paginate orphans to 5 to prevent small last pages. Use getPaginateBy for dynamic pagination based on user preferences. Enhance navigation with a custom page range, showing key pages and ellipses for clarity, ensuring users can easily navigate through content. Integrate Django's class-based views with Django Filter for efficient filtering. Use FilterSet to define filters like title, author, and published date. Article Filter View combines these with pagination, displaying results in articles, filter, HTML. Context includes total results and active filter status, enhancing user experience by providing relevant data insights. Implementing breadcrumb navigation enhances user experience by providing clear context. Use a breadcrumb mixin to dynamically generate breadcrumbs based on view hierarchy. Override getBreadcrumbs for customization. In Article Detail View, append the current page to breadcrumbs, ensuring users can easily trace their navigation path. This approach integrates seamlessly with Django's class-based views, offering a structured navigation solution. Optimize performance by using select related for foreign keys and prefetch related for many-to-many relationships to reduce database queries. Cache expensive context computations with Django's caching framework or a cached property. Override getQuerySet with only defer or annotate to load necessary fields. Implement template fragment caching to avoid repeated rendering operations. Testing class-based views involves verifying behavior through inputs and outputs. Use test case and client to simulate user interactions. Ensure list views display articles. Detail views require login, and create views set authors correctly. Focus on testing authorization, form validation, context data, and redirects. Employ Request Factory for unit testing individual methods. Always call super in overridden methods to maintain the method resolution order chain. Avoid mixing incompatible mixins like single object mixin and multiple object mixin. Use function-based views for simple logic. Filter in get query set to ensure pagination and security. Use reverse lazy in class attributes to prevent import time errors. Master the request lifecycle and maintenance, repair, and operations to harness class-based views power. Use mixins to build reusable components and override methods like getQuerySet for data and dispatch for pre-processing. Choose class-based views for create, read, update, delete operations, and function-based views for unique logic. Embrace simplicity for maintainability and reusability.